Hello everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can slice a design in Bambu Studio and save the slice file to an SD card. So let's say that you have to transfer it into an SD card in order to simply print your file. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to just add a basic object, which is going to be a cube. And from here, let's now click on the sliced option. Now that it's sliced, basically to import this or extract it onto our SD card, you simply want to navigate through the drop-down menu of the print plate option, which will take us to the send option, the send all export plate sliced file, and the export all slice file. So you could choose either one of these options. In my case, I'm going to be selecting my sliced plate right here, which is my sliced file. So I'm going to click on it, click on the option, and just go ahead and simply locate your SD card. So let's say that your SD card is going to be this one. In my case, I'm using my Kingston SD card. You then want to click on the save function, and basically from there, you have successfully saved your file onto that specific SD card. So it's going to be this one in my case. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.